Are you thinking about a high-growth career in tech, but you're kind of worried because you don't know how to code? Well, you are in exactly the right place. In this explainer, we are going to uncover some absolutely incredible opportunities that you might not even know exist. So let's get right into it.
Does this sound familiar? It's a huge source of anxiety for so many management graduates. You see these amazing tech companies, and you immediately think the door is just closed unless you're some kind of hardcore programmer.
Okay, let me just say that again because it's so important. That idea is completely wrong. You absolutely do not need to be a coder to have a thriving, high-paying career in tech. The opportunities? They're massive.
In fact, today, we're going to walk through 7 high-growth, high-paying tech roles that are just perfect for management grads. These are jobs where your business skills are the real star of the show. Okay, let's dive into the first one.
Kicking things off with a role you've probably heard a ton about, the product manager. This is one of the most sought-after positions in the tech world, and honestly, for very good reason. Let's get into why.
The easiest way to think about a product manager is like this. They're the CEO of the product. They're the visionaries, the ones steering the ship, figuring out what customers actually need, and defining the what and the why behind everything that gets built.
See, your job as a product manager isn't to write the code. It's to collaborate. You are the strategic hub, translating market analysis and financial projections into a roadmap for the developers, and then translating customer feedback into insights for the whole team. Those skills, problem-solving, business acumen, that's exactly what you've been training for.
And the reward for all this strategic work? Well, in India, the salary for a product manager in a good company can range anywhere from 15 to a whopping 40 lakhs per year. Yeah, really.
All right, so from the what and why, let's move on to the how. Next up, we've got a role that's a fantastic entry point into the tech world for so many MBA graduates, the business analyst.
This is such a critical role. A business analyst is basically a translator. They have to speak the language of business strategy, and then they turn around and speak the language of technical implementation, making sure everybody is on the same page and building the right thing.
So what this means is, day to day, you're taking a complex business challenge and you're breaking it down into crystal clear requirements for the tech teams. You'll be using tools you probably already know, like Excel and Power BI, to analyze data and present your findings. And yeah, while some SQL is helpful, your real value is in that analytical mind of yours.
Now let's talk about one of the most underrated yet seriously powerful client-facing roles in tech, the pre-sales or solution consultant. This role is absolutely perfect for you if you've got a knack for understanding technology, but you also love the strategy behind sales. You're not just selling a product, you're actually designing a solution for a client's very specific pain points.
As a pre-sales consultant, you're pretty much the secret weapon for the sales team. You're the one who brings the technical credibility and the business know-how that seals the deal. You'll need sharp presentation skills and deep product knowledge. And you'll find these roles at all the big enterprise software giants. Think SAP, Salesforce, and Oracle.
Okay, if you're someone who just loves getting things done, execution and bringing plans to life, then our next role is definitely for you, the program or project manager. So if the product manager decides what to build, the project manager makes sure it actually gets built. They are the orchestra conductors, managing all the moving parts, the budget, the timeline, the people, to deliver a successful project. Your main job is coordination, keeping those lines of communication wide open between engineers, business stakeholders, and of course, the clients. And hey, here's a pro tip. Getting certifications like Scrum Master or PMP can give you a really serious edge in landing one of these roles.
Now for another really fast-growing role, especially in the world of software as a service, or SaaS, let's talk about the Customer Success Manager.
You see, making the sale is just the beginning. A customer success manager steps in right after to build a long-term relationship. Your job is to turn a brand new client into a loyal fan. You're part consultant, part relationship builder, making sure they get so much value that renewing is a no-brainer. Okay, if you love process, if you love efficiency, and just making a business run like a well-oiled machine, then this next role is going to be perfect for you, the operations manager. This role is the backbone of the company, truly. Operations managers are the masters of scale. Your skills in data analysis and process improvement get used to solve really complex problems, like how do we make Amazon's delivery network even faster? Or how can we streamline Uber's driver onboarding? It's a critical role in any tech company that's serious about growth. And for our final role, let's look at the big picture thinkers,
The people who are literally driving the future of the company, the strategy or growth manager. This is a super high-impact role where you'll be tackling the biggest questions a company faces. How do we enter a new market? What should our pricing model be? Who should we partner with to grow faster? It's a natural fit for ambitious MBA grads from top-tier schools who really want to shape a company's destiny. So, there you have it. 7 incredible, high-paying tech roles where coding isn't even a prerequisite. And what's the common thread here? It's a strong foundation in business thinking, communication, data analysis, and problem solving. These are the skills you already have. You are way more prepared than you think.
So, the big question now is, what are the next steps? How do you actually go about landing one of these jobs? And what specific skills should you really focus on developing to make sure you stand out from the crowd?
If you want a deep dive on exactly how to land these roles, let me know in the comments and I will create a follow-up explainer with a step-by-step guide. Seriously, here at FinTorch, my whole goal is to give you the tools and knowledge to accelerate your career in finance and tech. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.